Arya and Patel 2006 Enterprises Inc. presents Rosie Burps in Class/Grounded, and was inspired by Mortal Kombat Fan 188.
Good morning, class. Today we will Rosie, how dare you burp in class? That's it. Go to the office now.
Rosie, what the hell did you do this time?
I burped in class. Don't suspend me, Mr. PP.
Oh, Rosie, how dare you burp in class? That was very rude of you. You are suspended for 89 weeks. Go home now.
Why, I am so grounded.
My God, Rosie, how dare you burp in class? That's it. You are so grounded. Go to your room now, and don't come out.
Why?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. This is Arya and Patel 2006, signing off. Bye.